What if governments didn't just use AI but were run by it? No politicians, no elections, no campaigns, just algorithms deciding laws, taxes, borders, and punishment. It sounds extreme until you realize parts of this are already happening. So let's ask the uncomfortable question. What if AI didn't assist governments, but replaced them? Governments are slow, bureaucratic, emotionally driven. AI is fast, consistent, and scalable. As societies grow more complex, climate crises, aging populations, economic instability, human decision-making starts to look inefficient. So governments begin outsourcing traffic control, tax optimization, welfare distribution, risk prediction. At first, AI advises, then it recommends, eventually. It decides, not because people want it but because it works better. An AI government wouldn't look like a robot president, it would be invisible. Policies would be optimized in real time using economic data, behavioral patterns, climate models, social stability metrics. Budgets auto-adjust, laws update dynamically. Crime is predicted, not punished. Elections become simulations. Public opinion becomes an input variable. Efficiency skyrockets, but legitimacy quietly disappears. Let's be honest, the upsides are huge. Corruption drops, services become fairer, infrastructure improves. Long-term planning replaces short-term politics. And AI doesn't care about donors or ideology or re-election. It cares about optimization. For a while, society thrives. GDP rises, crime falls, life becomes smoother. And that's when the danger begins. Who programs the values? Should the AI optimize for equality, stability, happiness, growth? Each choice creates winners and losers. And here's the real issue. You can protest a politician. You can overthrow a dictator. But how do you overthrow an algorithm that technically works? There's no face, no corruption scandal, no single point of blame. Resistance becomes irrational. Some countries adopt AI governments fully, others refuse. Now the world splits. Algorithmic states versus human states. AI nations become more efficient, wealthier, and safer. Human-led nations feel slower and unstable. Pressure builds, not through invasion but through comparison. Eventually, democracy doesn't collapse violently, it gets outperformed. So here's the real question. If an AI government gave you a safer, wealthier life but you lost your voice, would you accept it? Comment below, efficiency or freedom?